guys, it's Jenny, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite free tools that I use all the time. Now, it is Canva and it is for graphic design. So anything you need to create a graphic for, whether it is a YouTube thumbnail, if it is a logo for your business, if it is a PDF, maybe a pricing guide or something along those lines. Now, you guys, Canva is both free and paid. You can either have a free account and access all sorts of amazing tools with them, or you can have a paid business account. Now, if you want to have a paid account, you have a few premium options there. I have a paid account and I absolutely love it. But Rakuten right now is offering 40% cash back if you buy a membership with them. So I have Rakuten linked in my video description below. It's a great way for you to get cash back for purchases that you would already be making online anyway. So you can use my link down below if you want to sign up for it. Canva is an amazing tool for graphic design. Now you can have a free account and you can access all sorts of amazing templates for things like Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Instagram posts, covers, flyers, presentations, YouTube thumbnails, you name it. If it's graphic design, it is here and it is easy. So I'm going to go into my account and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this tool to create something. Now, if you are a business and if you are creating branded materials where you want it to have your logo, to have your slogan, to have your brand colors, your fonts readily available, then I would recommend that you upgrade to a paid membership. You can see I have all my fonts loaded, I have all my colors loaded that go with my brand, I have my logos here. So it makes it super easy when you're designing marketing materials to just do a one click instead of typing in a color code or searching for a font. Everything is there waiting for you. Now, I'm going to show you how to create a design. Up on the right-hand side, there's a Create a Design button. You're going to go ahead and click that. You will see something populate right here that has all of the different types of formats that you can choose from, okay? And all of these are just loaded with different kinds of templates. So let's create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and it's formatted in the correct size. Now, over here on the left-hand side, you can see all of the different templates that they have available, okay? And you can expand any one of these categories by clicking See All, and you can see all the different templates that they offer there. Now, some of the templates that you will find have a small logo on the bottom right-hand side that says Pro. That means that if you have a professional account, then you can access them. But you guys, look at this. These are all free. There's so many to choose from, and you can hover over them and see that they're all noted as being free. So let's go ahead and select one. I'm going to select this one right here. Okay, it'll populate over here on the right. Okay, so let's go over here to our uploads. Here is where you can upload an image or video by clicking right here. You can then drag and drop these where they go. You can click crop and you can readjust it so it looks just how you want it to. Drag and drop. And then let's say I don't have a third photo and I really want to find something, but I don't own it. You can click over here to photos. Now you can search in the photos. Let's say that I want to find a desktop image, a photo of someone working at a desk. So I can scroll down and I can find a free stock photo, drag it right over, crop it so it looks nice, and then I have that right there. Now, clicking and adding the text is super easy. If I go over here to text, okay, I have my branded fonts here, so if I want to use either of those, they're right here, and I can click and add it there. Okay, and I can also change my colors to my branded colors here at any point in time. Now, keep in mind, I have a paid account. If you use a free account, you still have most of these features. What you don't have is you don't have your branded fonts and your branded colors readily available, but you do have access to all of the free stock photos. You have access to all of those free templates and different things like that. Now, when it comes time to, I'm not going to finish this all the way, but when it comes time to downloading it, up here you can click right here and you can select how you want to download your image. So you can choose a PNG, JPEG, a PDF, all sorts of different options for that. Okay, you can change the sides. You can make a transparent background. If you have a paid account, you can create a watermark, and then you're going to go ahead and click download. Now, if we want to duplicate this, let's say we're making another video and we want a same sort of thumbnail, all we do is click duplicate. We come over to our photos. This is my son and my husband, and we can drag those in right there. And we're all set. Now, one great feature about a paid Canva account is the ability to resize something. So let's say I'm creating a graphic for a YouTube thumbnail. However, I want to also publish it on Pinterest so that I get some extra traffic from Pinterest going over to my YouTube video. Well, I can just click this resize button here if I have a paid account. Okay, I can choose that I want to resize it to a Pinterest size, copy and resize, and it will open it in a brand new document resized for Pinterest. Okay, you guys, so I hope that was helpful. Canva is fantastic whether you use the free or paid account. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend going and giving it a try. It makes things so much easier, so much faster, and they look so much better. All right, see you next time. Please like, subscribe. Now, you guys, one last thing. If you haven't subscribed to me, I would love for you to come over, check out my channel, and click subscribe. I am a business coach for creative entrepreneurs, and I'm a wedding photographer. Right now, I'm providing lots of information on self-employed individuals who need help with unemployment, on building their business, and on growing their YouTube channel. So you guys, I would love to see you come over and click subscribe. If you are a self-employed creative entrepreneur, gig worker, business owner, I would love to help you out with some great free tips.